Hi, yeah. In this video, we're going to provide a step-by-step tutorial on computing probabilities, percentiles, and probability between any two numbers for a normal distribution using R. Okay. So first, let's load the library stats, and then we can specify the mean value and standard deviation. Here we just choose the mean to be 0 and standard deviation to be 1. So we're working with the standard normal distribution, but you can definitely specify any mean value or any standard deviation value you want. And next, let's try to specify a sequence of values for x variables. So anywhere between -4 and 4 with an increment of 0.01. And then to calculate the probability density function, the PDF for each x, we use the function called the dnorm. So the syntax is here. Let's run it. So it's computed. And then we can plot out this PDF. So this looks like the bell-shaped curve for standard normal distribution. And then we can calculate probability for this normal random variable to fall within any two numbers a and b. Okay, so here let's just specify a to be -1 and b to be 1, and then the probability between a and b is computed by using the function pnorm. Okay, and it's the pnorm b at mean value to be the mean, and std underscore dev as the standard deviation minus the p-norm of a, with the same mean and standard deviation. So if we calculate that, that's the probability for between -1 and 1. That probability is 0.68. Okay. And to calculate percentiles, for example, we want the 75%, 75th percent. Let's specify the percentile value to be 0.75, and then we use the function called Q-norm. So value at a percentile is the Q-norm of the percentile value with the mean and standard deviation value we specify. Then let's print out that value. Okay, so this is how to compute the percentile. Okay, then just a quick exercise. Let's compute the probabilities of 1 or 2 or 3 standard deviation away from the mean, okay, for this standard normal distribution. And obviously it is there's two tails, and you have to use 1 subtract the sum of those two tail area to get the area in between this 1, 2 standard deviation away from the mean. And you can see there here is the 0.68, 0.95, and 0.99. So this is actually the empirical rule of the normal distribution. Okay, and that's it. This is a pretty straightforward demonstration.